Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Yes, we're quarantined. Yes, we are going to continue to do what we need to do. This will be over with before we know it. I know it seems very, very hard, and a lot of us are, our lives have really stopped, especially us that are in business for ourselves or you've got a job that you're worried about. But this too will pass. So think of it as something that we've got to do for now. We have gotten so spoiled in our lifetime that we took things for granted. And that's everybody. We took it for granted that we were thinking that everything's going to be the same till the day we die. I know that sounds morbid a little bit, but you think positive that everything's going to be okay. And if you have a family member that's sick and not feeling well and that maybe have this, what we're going through right now, just remember that this too will pass and they will be okay. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day and a happy day. Be kind to each other. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And when you're watching a video, you watch a positive video. If you're watching TV, watch a positive movie. Watch something positive, something uplifting. Of everything we do and every day, when we get up in the mornings, we have to think, okay, this too will pass and we will be okay and bigger and better than ever. I just wish I could help every one of you. But I'm going to say one thing I am going to do. I know we're not supposed to hug, but I'm sending you a hug right now, a virtual hug, and I hope you feel it. So go out, make tomorrow the best day, tonight the best night. Do what you can to be the best you can and make someone happy, even if it's looking out your window and waving at a neighbor. I love you guys. Until tomorrow.